Today we are installing a roll call graphics set. It's a list of sponsor style decals, and the best way to install them is going to be to tack them up at the top, get it aligned where you like it, which I've previously done. Take a line of tape a little bit wider than your graphic, put it right to left across to make sure it's centered, adhere it. Take the top portion of the graphic, peel it downwards, making sure that the graphic stays on the pre-mask portion of the sheet. If it doesn't, a little bit of light squeegeeing may help. After you have your graphic pulled down, if you grab your scissors, you're able to cut a clean line across. Be careful not to scratch the car or rip the paper. If you rip the paper, you're able to get little paper particles behind your sticker. Firmly squeegee from right to left, adhering the top of the graphic all the way up until the top of your image area is on there. I like to leave a little tab on the top for later. Peel your centerline tape off, pull the top of it up, and then begin squeegeeing there again, right to left, right on down the whole graphics set. Now that you have them all on there, that little tab on the top works as an easy starter for peeling the pre-mask off. Once you have that, you can go ahead and gently pull firmly down. Go slow to make sure that the graphic is adhered to the car. If it starts lifting in any areas, say you have a ceramic coating or something is sticking, you can work it on as you're peeling it off. There you go. You now have a roll call graphics set on your car.